Hello everyone, January 30th. Alright, let's do it today. Oh my goodness. Alright, we probably cannot do this because I need to train. Okay, we're gonna do 10 minutes. If we cannot do it, we have to go train. Jesus, 2 hard problems in a row. N by N binary matrix. You are allowed to change at most 1 0 to be 1. Return the size of the largest island after applying this operation. Island is a 4 directionally connected groups of ones. So you have n by n matrix. You're allowed to change at most 1 to be 1, and most 1, 0 to be 1. And we want to return the size of the largest island. Size of the largest island. So basically what we have is you can find all the groups so far. I'm actually directly going to union find for this one. You can find all the groups so far. Now we have a group, we have another group, have another group. Like if we have only one group, then the answer is just this number plus 1, right? Yeah, like this example. You already have one group, then one island, so you add 1, you just plus 1. Now in this case, you have 2, right? You have 2. You have a 1, 0, and a 0, 1. So you basically have 2 groups. Then your goal is try to see if we add a 1. We can do that. We can definitely do that. So basically, we'll do union find, okay, to get all the groups, right? Union find will find all their groups, and then we just go through all the zeros. We say if I change it to 1, right? If I change it to 1, and if I change to 1, then I look at the groups around me, right? So basically for this one, I look around. I say this belongs to group 0. This belongs to group 1. And then if I change to 1, then all the groups surrounding me, they'll all be connected. So I just add them all together, and that will be my new number. All right? And in this case, where everybody around me is the same, right? Everybody around me is so it's also possible that you change 0, basically you have 4 surrounding you, right? You can have them having the same, but this one is different, right? So you want to do that, it's still the count of this plus count of this plus 1. But if they're all the same, then just the count of this plus 1. Yep. Okay, so we need to write union find. Right, we need to write union find, and we're gonna do it as, so we'll do ranking as well. We have parent, we have ranking, so everything will be the same, but the first union find, I think, in C++. Oh shoot, do we even have? I don't think so. I'm not sure. Hold on. Do we have 31st? Yeah, we do. We have 31st. Okay, so we need to do union find, which I believe we need a new class. called DSU. Alright. Define class. My class constructor. Get set. I don't want to put it into the private. Can I do it in public as well? I think I can, right? So public. All right, so we're gonna say parent and rank. And M. Okay, so my class okay, is there another way to do it? Data member. How about constructor? Alright, default constructor. Geeks. Oh, I can just set its value. Parameterized constructor. Okay, this is better. So can we not set default and then just use parameterized? Alright, anyway, so if I think correctly, we're gonna do DSU M N and say M equal to M, N equal to N. Right, I can do that. I probably need to use different. Okay, and I say, oh, how do we initialize? I don't know. Class constructor array vector. How do we do that? New. Oh, I can push back. Okay, is there any other way? This is initialized. It's not about in a. Oh, it does have a constructor. Where? Okay, vector. We do this. I don't want to pass a vector. Can I create a vector? Equal. Okay, maybe I can do that. I can say par equal to std vector m. Oh, then why you have these two? It doesn't make any sense. All right, all I need this is just for m and n, so I don't need this. So m std vector. Oh, wait, hold a second. That's not right. Sorry, that's not right. This shall still be vector of int. It didn't even say int. Okay, vector of int. Then we do m vector of int n parent. Right, we'll set everybody to be themselves. So we have a new one. So we should say for I smaller than m, I plus plus. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Then we say, ooh, parent ij shall equal to, oh. I don't like it. I think it makes things more complicated. I'll do 1D now. Yeah, I feel like it's making things more complicated. Total, right? So we just say total 0, and then for int I 0 I smaller than total I plus plus parent I equal to I. That's it. And then rank. What was the rank? Parent is himself. I think rank we just set to 0. Everybody's rank set to 0. Yes. So rank shall equal to std vector int total 0. Okay. So this is the initialize, and then we have find. We find x, right? So we say if parent x is not equal to x, say x parent shall equal to find this. Right, if it's not equal to, and then we'll find its parent, and then we'll return parent x. Okay, next is, I remember we do boolean union x and y. Okay, so px find x, py find y. Right, if px is equal to py, turn false. Otherwise, if rank px is larger than rank py, then we say parent py shall equal to px. Else, if rank px is smaller than rank py, then parent px shall equal to py. Right? Else, now they're the same, then we just say we rank px plus plus and then parent py equal to px. And for this, we'll return true, which means anonymous union. Probably cannot use this function number. Find union. Ugh. Alright, just put underscore then. Alright. That's union find. So now what we need to do, go through everybody, look through the surroundings, union them together, right? And then go through them again. We also need to count, right? We also need to count how many is. So how do we do that? So we'll go through, we get the union, and then we go through this parent array. Then we go through the parent array, and we use a map for that. Okay. So we do need the regular. Oh, we can use std pair. All right. Directions 0 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0. All right. So we get that, and then we'll go through the regular for int m equal to grid dot size and equal to grid 0 dot size, and dsu equal to dsu don't know. how do I create a class? I think just create a class. No, instantiate, right? Instantiate. I forgot how to do it. I think, yeah, that's true. So we say m times n, right? M times n. I times n plus j. That's exactly what we want. So we have DSU. And then for, how are we gonna do this? So for each one, I look to all my 4, and I will just connect them, because it doesn't matter, right? So we just say for int I, 0i smaller than m, plus for int j, 0j smaller than n, j plus plus. So we have these two, and then for each one, we'll say, we'll go around for auto didj. Awesome. Look great. I plus di and j equals j plus dj, right? So we have ni and j, and then the same thing if 0 smaller or equal to ni, and ni smaller than m, and 0 smaller or equal to nj, and nj smaller than n, and grid ni nj is equal to 1. Hold a second. If grid ij is equal to 0, then we need to continue, right? Because only 1 is considered, right? Okay, so the current is a 1, my next is also a 1, then we just say dsu dot, not find, we want union, right? Union I times n plus j, ni times n plus j. That should be right. So we go through all this, right? We go through all this, and next thing we do is we need to go through the parents. I mean the count. So this one I need a map. Okay. Oh, by the way, I set up appointment for Jimbo. Just Jimbo.
You called?
No, I did that online.
Oh, you did it online?
Yep.
They found the record?
No, nobody found anything. I just they asked me if I'm a new customer for this hospital, and I say yes, I am. And it's very early though.
Very early?
Yeah, 7:45 a.m. Saturday.
Oh, they have?
Only 2 spots. 7:20 and then 7:40, 7:15 and 7:45. I choose 7:45. That's the only one left for Saturday. But tomorrow there are a lot more, like 10 a.m.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah, I decide let's just do Saturday.
I
If
can't
we
believe
need.
they open so early.
Yeah, they open I think 7 to 4 on
Where
Saturdays.
is it?
It's here. It's called Redwood, not Redmond. Redwood VCA, right next to the movie theater.
Oh, you can walk there.
Yeah, so there's a Redwood, there's also a Redmond. They're very close.
Oh wow.
But this one's actually closer because we are living somewhere here.
Has good reviews.
Has better reviews than the other one, but still like 4.3. I don't know how you think about it.
How much is the other one?
4.1 or 4.2. Oh no, the other one's 4.6, but with fewer reviews. 99 reviews. The other one's like 200 something, I think. 122.
Wait, between which two? The two VCAs?
Yeah, the 2 VCAs.
Wait, which one has a lot of reviews?
The one close to us has more reviews, but the score is not as high as the other one, which has fewer reviews. Both are better than the Tenor Touch. Tenor Touch is 4.4. It's actually not both better. I don't know. Now I am very conflicted.
Oh, we can try them both. See which one we like better.
Okay, let's go VCA first. We're
That is kind of like urgent.
custom.
Not that urgent, but it's not like.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, if tomorrow there's no diarrhea, then we cancel it. But if there's still diarrhea, we do it.
Is there a cancellation policy? Like you have to cancel within 24 hours?
It didn't say. It just say.
You didn't put your credit card, right?
No, nothing. I didn't put anything.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I was wrong. 750. It just said if you want to reschedule, have a question, please contact us at a number.
Oh, you can't cancel online.
I don't think there's a button to cancel online.
That's really good. They have appointments available. You don't have to wait so long.
Yeah. But we never set up a account with VCA. I'm very surprised.
Really?
Or at least I don't know. I mean, I tried checking my password manager. I didn't see anything, so I think maybe we don't have. You know what? Maybe I should try say forget password. See if it will send an email to me. We'll see how it goes. Email address is not associated. So
Wait,
yeah.
try mine.
Oh.
I remember getting emails from these.
Oh yeah, I should use yours to schedule appointment. Then we have the information.
Well, see if it works. I don't know if it's my email or not.
Nope, you're good. I think we just never did anything. Island size.
So you set up the account?
No, I didn't set up account. That's I'm not sure. We're going to try to see how it goes. Alright, well, we're gonna go through the pattern. So what we're gonna do is for int I 0 I small m times n, right, and then I plus plus. We're gonna do map, not map, island size, DSU dot find I, right, basically the plus plus. There's no find, there's one underscore find, right? So this we get all the island size, and then we're gonna go through this thing one more time just for the we can optimize it by like picking out all the zeros, but too lazy. If grid ij is equal to 0, okay, then we need to go around, right? We'll go around to see what we have. How many different components do we have? So I think I can set up a set. Is there a better way compared to using a set? I like to use a set. Islands. Okay. And let's do this line. I like this line. You smell good.
Me?
Yeah. Alright, so we'll do this. We'll do this. Right, if it's 1, then we delete this. We say islands.insert DSU dot find ni times n plus nj. Alright, so by doing this, we get all the islands out. And then we need a result. Okay, we say int rest equal to 0. So this will be if I turn this into, right, so if we turn grid ij, right, into an island, what will happen? Oh, this is also, we need to get the largest among these. size. How do we iterate through the map? Iterate through map. Pair. Okay. So we say for auto. Oh, const auto. Const auto. And take its pair p of island size. Res we say equal to std max res and the p dot I believe is second. Because the second one is second one is the value. So this is our res. And then for here, what we're gonna do is go through the island. Right, go through the island and we add them together. Right, so we can say current size equal to 0 and for int island of islands. Right, current size plus equal to island size island. Okay. Now once we're done with all that, we can say res equal to std max res and current size plus 1. So we'll go through all of this. Then we'll return res. Alright. Let's check. The third one, output 2. How is that 2? But I guess I can only do second. Two and 2. That is not right. This is telling me we have. How? Did we not get the DSU correct? I mean, I already say find.
Where are you going?
All right, first thing I need to check is if I wrote it right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, I believe it's a useful snippet, union fine. And I'll just to see if we got everything right. Yeah. Parent equal to parent. Yeah. Looks fine. Right? Self fine, not fine. If not equal, if rank is smaller than this, right, rank px is smaller than rank py, then parent px equal to py. Otherwise, parent py equal to px. Otherwise, py equal to px and the rank plus plus. That all look fine to me. So I don't think the problem is with that. Then what is the problem? Well, we can also output the parent. Okay, so we say for auto p of dsu parent. Why don't you just debug this? Well, because I feel like this will give me a better 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, so 1's parent is 0. 0, 1, 2 is 0. 3 parent is 1. 1 parent is 1. How? How is that possible? So I come in is 0, 0, right? 0, 0 come in. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Right? And I will get one of them going there. Unless it's 2 by 2. So 0 and 1 should be unioned together. Oh, NJ. Found it. Found the bug. Oh, NJ, lordy. All right, so this one shall be right. Okay. This one shall be right. Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna try to explain how we do this. All right. And that's very similar to yesterday, actually. Use union find to obtain all the disconnected islands. Then go through each water, turn it into an island, and see which disconnected islands can be connected again. Can be connected. We can find can be connected. Yep, that's basically it. So mn for sure to get that, and mn, I think we'll say mn and times alpha mn. Okay, let's put this one in and go submit. All right, let's hope that this one will pass so we can go train. 10 o'clock. Training at 10 o'clock. Absolutely not ideal. 599, 17.66. 599, 17.66. Yes, we know a few optimization opportunity, but I really don't. DFS find all the islands. This is the same thing. You find all the islands, you mark them, and then yeah, so we just use DFS to find. But of course, we can use that. DFS. We also do that. We have a counter. Island index. Why do we start at 2? Not 0. Islands. I don't know why I set arrow indexes to 2. That's very strange. Anyway, I believe one of them should be, you see, this is just weird. Some open the other one. Some open here. This is DSU. Yeah, it's exactly the same method. Exactly the same method. But I also think I have a size, right? Do we have a size? We don't have a size. Where do you find a size? Oh, have a set. We get that. Oh, I use this counter. I see. All right, that'll be it. It's not bad. I mean, the first time writing DSU in C++, I think I got a bit stuck on how to initialize everything, but other than that, it's fine. And also, do not do it. Yeah, I don't think a 2D will be wise. 1D is much simpler, especially when you handle the parent array. Everything else is very much the same as Python when I do this. So nothing too complicated, right? We get the DSU, we get a union firing, and we need to find the size, and we need to find the rest. I wonder if this is necessary. Yes, I think this is necessary. And then we go through everything. Oh, I haven't even finished the sentence. What would be the max number of lands? What would be the max number of lands obtained, created, generated? Yep. All right. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.